Tatis. Is it a Tati or Nayati? Anyway, Natati's
Mtati.
practice.
Mtati.
Okay. Legal practice for July. The legal practice is a registered VAT at 15%. Prepare the general journals of the legal practice to record the business transactions. You guys may take 3 minutes to read, and then you can give number 7, and then if anybody object, they can object, and somebody else can say why. Okay, let's go with number 7. Who's going to roll with number 7? Should we read number 7 for you? Ntati's legal practice returned a new photocopier which was purchased on the 30th of June 2018 on credit from office suppliers for 3.1. The photocopier was defective. The legal practice did not replace the photocopier. Was I on mute now? Did you guys hear me read it?
Yes, we heard you.
Yes, we heard
Okay,
you.
let's go.
Are we doing it now or we have to do it on our own? Because I was
Ye-
trying to do it on
Oh, I
my
thought
side.
you're done on your own already.
Okay, yeah, somebody can who is done
Okay,
can
do you want
read
to?
it.
Do you want another 2 minutes?
Yes, 2 minutes quickly. That means
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Who's got number 7? Damn, this isn't difficult. Avril, do you know? Everybody sign the register at least for me. Bayes, Amelia. Bossy. Karabo. Katlego. Claudia. Yeah, I only attack the easy names. Thai. Zianda. Abel. Come. Can we hear a man for a change? I always get excited when men start talking. Can we get some men to answer us? I don't know what's going on, but you guys are making me worried. You guys are making me
Aziza?
worried. Yes.
Okay, so I
You
have
mustn't talk to me, you must talk to the class. And if the class must object to accept.
yeah, I'm a bit slow when it comes to this thing. Actually, I don't even know how to be quick. But Denisa, on the 30th, day 30,
Why day 30? Aren't we busy with day 7 now?
day 7, day 7.
This purchase
I
is the
wrote I
month
wrote 30
before in
June,
June.
but anyway, but yeah. Day 7, we have details, Nati, legal practice. Oh, I'm looking at my own screen. Let me minimize, make it. How do I make it smaller so that I can see your screen and mine? Yes, details, Nati. Yo, I'm not sure if I'm okay. Wait, deputing here. Yeah, no, I made a mistake because I wrote that we Nati was credited 3,100. We credited 3,100 from Nati, and then on the second line I wrote office supplies 3,100. I actually added a line for VAT.
Sorry, debit or credit, that second one?
Debit 3,100. Yep.
Anybody want to object to what she said? I think it's only Zenzile because everybody else is unmuted. Is there something wrong with this? Can somebody comment? What is wrong with it? Your VAT, Valerie?
Do we?
Yes,
Oh.
I did say I added VAT. I added VAT. I added VAT of output VAT. Okay, so add a line, add a column for VAT between after credit. Okay, yeah, that is fine. So
Kia,
No,
you
don't
are
write
you-
3,000 on 30. On 30, it's actually equipment. You can write it equipment or in brackets, entirety equipment in brackets or office supplies in brackets. I don't know how to describe the detail there.
Oh, you must know how to describe the detail, otherwise you're gonna get no marks.
Office supplies are stationary. They photocopier is an equipment. Oh, okay, sorry. Photocopier is an equipment. That's fine. So output VAT is 403.48.
Can we look at Kusanati? Kusanati, can you come to the front of the class and talk to us? We
No,
don't bite.
please don't write it there. Don't write it on equipment. On the first line. And it's 2696. And the total will be the 3,100.
I think the only reason why I didn't put a VAT was in our study guides when we check where the general journals are, they don't do VAT there.
Yeah, but the question asks for that, so there must be that.
Thank you.
Kusanati, come speak to us, Radeba. Come to the front of the class. I like you. I like you. I like you.
Are we not
Kusanati.
supposed to be debiting our VAT? Sorry, Valerie, I'm a bit confused.
What do you mean?
The VAT, the way it's sitting, is it debited or credited?
Let's
we-
Denisa,
we-
just on
we-
the side there by column R.
It's
Let's just go
output.
through the whole process.
Sorry, please repeat column R.
Yeah, just go through the process when we purchased it, because now it's returned. Let's just do the transactions when we purchased a photocopy machine. It was debit what? Equipment, right? Credit, output VAT.
And credit, trade, and other payables.
Yes.
So we're reversing out of that
Just
transaction.
yes. Just put the amounts also in that we obviously paid. Right, the 3.1. Now do the reversals the opposite, and then you'll see it will be easier. Right. Now we take it off our books and we credit. People, when you write your journal entries, debit on top, credit the bottom line. That's how you do it. All your debits is first lines, credits is last lines.
Shouldn't the VAT be debited?
When we're gonna return it, we're gonna debit it.
No, when we purchased the equipment, it should be debited with the equipment.
No, when we purchase as an output VAT, isn't it?
It is
No,
output.
When we purchase, it's input VAT.
Im-
Sorry,
oh
sorry,
yeah, you
input
are
VAT.
right.
Yeah,
You're
sorry,
right.
sorry,
It is
sorry.
input. Yes.
Sorry, you're right. Yes, sorry. So wait, there's something wrong. And the trade payables. Okay, so input VAT, sorry. My bad.
Yes, also because the debit side must equal the credit side. So you can't
Yeah.
have 3.1 plus for all three.
Yes, thanks for that. Who's that? Zianda.
Yes.
You a person of interest now. Stay in front of the club.
Oh no, I've got kids in the house and they're screaming. So
Don't worry, don't worry. Danessa, just fix up that debit out input VAT 403 on the, yeah, there. Just so that we got that right. Debit also, debit. Okay. Now let's reverse the transactions. Danessa, are you reversing the transactions now? Okay, so equipment must now be credited. Okay, Danessa, write equipment at the bottom line. Equipment must be in the bottom.
Is that
Uh,
better?
No, it's not good. Take that VAT out there.
Completely.
You take that whole column out. You mustn't have a column called VAT input. Take that whole, remove it. Okay, now remove that number also there. Yes. Okay. Now your debit, your trade, your creditors control or your trade payables. With a 3.1, right? And then credit your VAT output. It's not output, credit your VAT control account. Okay, like that. 403, whatever it is. Can you see that's how you do a journal, people? What is the number 444? Or 404?
It's 404.34.
404.
I see there's conflicting answers in the chat as well about that.
Just round it off. Make that top one 2696 and then you make that 404. We can't still work with cents here. 404, there's it. Right. Does everybody understand what we done here? It was easier for us to take it from when we purchased it and then do the reversal. All right. I'll give you guys 2
But
minutes.
in
to-
Aziza,
Yes.
usually when there's such question in exam in the paper, when we write the assessment, it's not just VAT control, we have to indicate which type of VAT it is.
Yeah, but this is a reversal, so you can't credit your VAT. You can't. Doesn't make sense to credit VAT output because it's not a sale. So it's best to credit your VAT control account. Because remember, you must already gave the money over to SARS. So now
Okay.
it comes out of your VAT control account now.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Are you recording today?
Always record.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll give you guys 3 minutes to read the next one. Is somebody that asked, how do we know the 3.1 was including? It said the VAT is 15% included where applicable at the top part of the question. Okay, let's go with the next one, number 12.
Denisa,
I am here and ready.
water and electricity details,
Yes.
debit 8 to 850. And then the expense account. Credit to 850.
Okay, so Keanu is saying that it's trade payables, according to him.
Zianda, what do you say? You must a person of interest now. Why do you guys always start writing with credit first? Uh, uh, Zianda, Zianda is correct. Ach, not Zianda, Kosanati, Radebe. Kosanati, why don't you want to speak to us? Did we harm you in any way?
If I may ask, is municipal services subject to VAT?
Yes. When you pay your water and electricity, valid.
Yes? Your line is
Don't you
breaking.
pay water and electricity? Is it? Don't you pay a VAT when you water and electricity account? How come you exempted? Where do you live?
I'm just asking. I'm
I'm
asking.
just saying, just wondering, why is it that you not paying VAT?
No, I thought maybe.
Okay,
May I ask a
you
question?
think that
Isn't, like, I see trade payables, but shouldn't it be account payables?
That makes sense. Better sense.
yeah, accounts payable. But yeah, accounts payable. I don't see anything wrong with trade payables because that's not trade, but the municipality is still, yeah, but account payable is fine. Buyers, yours is zero rated. Your electricity, you must be living overseas or something. Not in this country. Okay, let's move on. Everybody clear? Let's go on to number 20.
This one for payment, this number 12, is it also VAT control or is it now going to be output VAT?
It's supposed to be output VAT actually. Okay, let's continue number 20. Okay, who wants to go?
Hi.
Yes.
Okay, here I wrote it as a bad debt for bad debt El Zabori. As credit. I don't remember how we did this, but I think I remember it was canceling each other somehow, but yeah, I wrote it on credit this time. I'm on mute. I'm talking to myself. Sorry, I didn't realize I was on mute. So the bad debts get debited because this was already a client that had a bad debt, so we pay it from our client's control because it was a client. So client control will be credited. Actually, no, is it client control or data data? I don't know. Aziza, please,
First-
is it a data?
First, let me hit you over your knuckles. There's no such thing anymore as bad debts. It must be credit losses.
Okay, credit loss. Thank you. Let me make it correction on my side. Then make it a data there, that side, because anyone who owes us is a debtor. So a debtor. Credit loss. Let me change mine to credit loss. Change line control to data.
No, client control is right.
Is it?
Debtors is old words, eh?
Hey, where do we find the new words? Is it in
Client control. They always talk about a client control account. How you there now?
Yes, but I have to change my vocabulary then because I've memorized that whoever owes the company is a debtor is an asset. So is it like control?
Yes, my darling. Who
Hmm.
wants to comment on a wrong answer?
Are you asking something?
Yeah, I'm asking who wants to comment on a wrong answer?
Which wrong answer, Aziz?
The answer that you gave me, it's wrong.
Is it wrong?
Who wants to comment?
Not me.
Would you not credit the credit losses and then debit
Who
the
wants to
client
comment on her
control?
wrong answer? Who wants to comment on her wrong answer? Is my line bad?
We can hear you.
Okay. Who wants to comment on her wrong answer? On everybody's wrong answers. Come now, it's not very difficult. You people don't like paying VAT, eh?
Even on okay, let's do that quickly.
Okay.
$258 VAT and 1722.
Where does the VAT go to? Debit or credit?
This was we charged the client, so it was This is the VAT that was supposed to be paid to SARS. So it's input.
Debit or credit?
We are no longer going to receive it, so it's a credit. We are debiting it.
Why are you crediting
We are
it?
no longer going to receive it from SARS, so it's a minus. It's a credit. Sorry, sorry,
What?
Denisa.
Who wants to comment on her incorrect methodology?
Can't we get this back from SARS?
Yes. Yes.
We get it from SARS even though the client never paid. So we are paying it
Remember,
from
we
our bank
gave-
account.
Yeah, but remember, we lost the money originally. We handed over to the value of maybe 10,000 rand to the client, but now it came to 3,000 and he doesn't want to pay. But we already paid SARS over the 10,000. You understand? So now we're going to have to reverse it.
Think of it as SARS feels bad for you because you're losing more, so they'll give you some chump change back.
Think of it as not fair for you to have paid somebody else's VAT account.
Okay.
Okay. Danessa, can you maybe just put the debits on the top and the credits at the bottom? Please, the two debits. The VAT input, just move it up, the VAT control. And then the client control at the bottom. People, your journals must look like journals, eh? Did you guys follow the ad hoc meeting in Parliament?
Hey, it's my new series.
You know, after yesterday, I decided I'm gonna apply now for CEO positions, whether whether I qualify or not.
You
I'm
do,
going
you're
to the highest-
overqualified. You're overqualified if you're using today's standards.
I am applying now for anything. And
Don't
somebody
be
demanding
afraid.
it also. And you guys should follow suit.
No, we will be your deputies and what with the rate that we are going at right now. We can run companies, we can run departments.
You can.
Someone
I
will figure it
realize now-
out what we are doing. We
I
don't have to know.
realize you must have confidence. That you must have a mouth on you. You can get very far. It's us who say, you know, I'm not sure if I can do that. That entries look very complicated. Bible. We need to take chances here.
That's
Okay, the
right.
next one is day 22. That's our motivation. Ma'am, can you tell us about your 91-year-old students? I had a 91-year-old student in my class, the guy that I showed the picture. Yes, but I think that I lost contact with him because, you know, with the whole technology thing, I think he fell out of the bus. He couldn't use the technology. It was
Oh.
overwhelming, but I want to go and I lost his number and everything, man. So, but anyway, he was 91 years old and he was a student in my class. Very
See,
lovable old man.
you can become president. We will all vote for you at this point.
Mm-hmm.
Me or Valerie?
No, definitely you, Aziza.
I'll make all of you people my deputies.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
don't
We will
but
hire
Valerie-
consultants for
Valerie, don't you find
accounting.
that Valerie, don't you find it a bit confusing, that whole stories? Because, yeah, everybody's name starts with a M. I don't think I'm good with names. But anyway, everybody's name is with a M.
Mm-hmm.
Just get confused when they start talking about, and I don't understand the ranks also in this deputy and national commissioner.
A
So
major
I must,
general,
yeah.
lieutenant
And
general.
then there was a guy, you know that guy Dan Korber, I think
The beanie guy.
yes, he gave a lekker breakdown with the faces. He gave the breakdown just so all done, and in a on a pictogram, what do you call it, a pictogram? Okay, you must check that. Then I understood it better. Then the names made more sense. All the M and M's made more sense. I don't know why
When
everybody's
was that
surname
for? When
starts
was
with a
that aired? Is it from today's?
what?
What you the beanie guy? When did you see the beanie guy?
Yes,
Yesterday.
TikTok. You can go
Yeah,
check it
that's
on
on
TikTok.
TikTok.
Oh,
Yesterday,
oh no.
yesterday, I think it was yesterday, or the day before that he explained it so lekker.
I
You
watched
guys
the
must
whole
know
6
these things,
hours.
eh?
I watched the 6 hours. I don't watch it on TikTok. I watch it on YouTube, the whole sitting at night before I sleep. And yeah, on my way to work. I made a mistake on 12. That was us paying VAT, and I wrote output. I said output VAT when it's supposed to be input because we were paying.
We didn't pay it. Is it outstanding?
No, I mean for the services. We were paying for services. So when you pay for services, you pay input VAT because you're going to
Oh
get a
yeah,
refund. Yeah.
that must be swapped around. Sorry, I didn't
Yeah.
even see that.
At number 20, do we write it as line control or output because
Yeah, that's correct.
we charged VAT to the client.
Yeah, that's correct.
VAT control.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
right.
Okay.
Like 22. But listen, I just want to say one last thing about this commissioner thing. You guys must listen to it, everybody. Eh? You're going to be attorneys and you must know what's going on. You must follow these cases.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good for your critical thinking and you know, just know the structures and stuff. I just can't for the life of me get the structures right. But I mean, you guys, it's going to become attorneys. You must know these things, how this government
We must
works. And
follow this thing. We might find it in the exam on the
And
on the
yes,
6th.
they like to test you about latest stuff also. Eh?
this will definitely also affect the future of law later on as well.
Yes, I
Yes.
believe so.
Yes. But I'd like to see how it's going to play out because I don't think that general is all innocent. So I'd like to see how this whole
Ye-
thing plays out.
Not many people are innocent, eh?
Us true.
It's about discrediting the other and also, yeah, making sure that yours are not discoverable.
Yeah, but we must all actually just go join Aziza there in that other country that we call Cape Town. They live lekker lives there. Here in Pretoria, we struggle.
Struggle with what? Oh yeah, you guys don't have water, eh?
Water, electricity, nothing. Potholes everywhere.
Ooh,
Really?
but Cape Town
Oh.
is beautiful.
Will my pay
No,
extra
but
to
Cape
live
Town's
there?
too expensive.
Yes.
Cape Town's very
It is.
expensive.
Yo,
The
But the
property
other thing
prices are
is,
out of
Cape
this
Town has
world. So
Cape Town has a massive divide, eh? But you guys are going to get water now when Helen Zille come in there. Gogo.
no ways.
Where-
She's going to join.
Yeah, she's going to give you guys water and she's going to win that election. Watch it. She's going to win
water for
because
a week.
she can give you guys water. That's what you want.
But properties in Cape Town are like expensive. Like people who live in Cape Town have money. Yo,
I don't think it's that people have money. At the property now, I think if you like a youngster now getting married, I don't know how you will be able to afford it. The rates is expensive. They're pushing the value up of the property here, and then naturally your rent, so it's gonna drive us out. It's gonna drive down. We all gonna get out here. All
but I think
foreigners that's buying up here in Camps Bay and on Cape Town and stuff. We're gonna be pushed
I
out with
think
that. This is
our generation was just I think our generation was just born at like a wrong disadvantaged time. Like now everything is expensive. Back then, like you guys could afford houses and stuff like that. Now, just like we have no prospects of like we don't ever dream of like or we don't think that we're going to like leave home anytime soon.
Yeah, I think you guys are a generation now that somebody said to me, you must seek build on for your children. So I said, but I'm the only captain of the house. But then you rethink about it and you think, but this is the generation that's gonna have to build on, and each child is gonna have to live on their quarters because it doesn't look like they can afford it.
We should have bought property when we were still in our mother's wombs at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have
We
worked.
must go. We should go and befriend ANC officials.
Defend ANC officials. Why? What do you mean?
We must go and befriend them. You know, I mean, like
Befriend
Oh,
them.
make connections.
befriend.
For kickbacks.
Befriend.
Yes,
Oh
we must
yeah, then we can
befriend them.
get properties.
Yeah, we'll be set for life.
That's
Yeah, so
why I
I don't know what.
say we just need to vote for Aziza to become president, then we are sorted.
I'll give you all a house. Yeah, I'll give you all a house in Camps Bay. I'll be just as corrupt. I know you. I remember you. I remember you. You were still talking in my class. You can get the house. Camps Bay.
Can I
Okay,
get
so
Mossel Bay?
Mossel Bay. I need. There's no Mossel Bay. We're going for big. Dream big. We go big or go home.
Bishops.
There are two options now in the chat box for the 22nd. So you guys, I'll make one blue and one red, and then yeah, everybody can just decide. This is
Okay, what is it?
two
What is it?
options that was given.
Okay, what is it gonna be?
So one
Um,
says debit desk and chair, credit trade payables, and the VAT control account. Then we have drawings debited, furniture credited with a VAT output.
I
that
agree
one
with
that you
Deb.
mentioned now was wrong.
Uh,
It's not gonna balance. Drawings is correct. That it can't be and then your furniture you're going to credit, right? And then your VAT control you're gonna credit. Is that what you said?
That's the two options in the chat box.
Okay, but yeah, the second one is correct. The second one is correct.
So drawings, furniture with the VAT output.
Mm-hmm. And we're not gonna debit desk and chairs. There's no account called desk and chairs really. In our books, in our journals, it's gonna be furniture. It's not a trade payable because we don't owe anything. We took it, it was drawings. So that second one was hopelessly wrong. Okay. Well done, Radeba. She doesn't like talking to us. Okay, day 31. At this stage, I've noticed nothing is your favorites. Bank recons aren't your favorites. The journal entries doesn't look like your favorites.
I think the journal entries will be better than recon. So recons were just a nightmare. BAE, yes, Denisa.
I don't think you're gonna be getting BAE in the exam.
No, I don't think so. Yeah,
But
they
it's
like
funny
complicating our
because
lives.
in the
But
last assignments, they had 2 different Bay questions that counted, I think, 6 marks each.
you were the lucky one.
Was that
Oh.
Radebe that typed something there and it disappeared? I was still busy reading it and I was just gonna say something. Oh no.
I forgot you can't
Zuvoyo.
read. I'm listening.
Zuvoyo. Zuvoyo, I want to ask you why you debiting interest receivable and then interest income. That must doesn't make sense. You're gonna debit Almero Bank and credit your interest income. Not so, Zuvoyo.
Is there an answer here somewhere?
Yeah, she put her answer in the chat. But she's
Oh.
debiting receive and then she's debit crediting income. You can't receive income and then pay it out also. Okay. And Bob's your uncle. And there's another question.
Sorry, Aziza, just can you please repeat the last one about Almera Bank?
Yeah, interest income, credit interest income.
Why are we debiting Almera Bank?
Because they had a fixed deposit with Almera Bank.
Yeah, but then why are we debiting them? Are we not supposed to be taking from them?
Yes, but you're going to debit your fixed deposit with your investment account with Almera Bank. We're not taking from them.
Is that
We are,
accrued? Is it not accrued interest at Almera Bank?
it is interest income. So obviously, if you look at the last leg of the transaction, interest income is a credit, right? So we know there. Now, what else would you want to debit? Your fixed deposit, Mus. Not so?
Hmm. So my fixed deposit is Almera Bank, or is it accrued
Yes.
interest?
Your fixed deposit is, you can write this / fixed deposit Palmera Bank
Okay.
or investment / investment. Is everybody happy now? We have to get done because myself and Valerie, we need to go listen to the latest.
At least we do.
We
The
need to listen
minister
to
was
the
speaking
latest.
today, so I need to get updated. If I can just find a way in, I'll hire Zuvuyo as my accountant. Kian will be my lawyer.
Because tonight is Malema. Thursdays was Malema. He was questioning them today. So I'm want to go and watch him. Okay, so this is a statement of Kogerong and eThekwini. And complete all the entries required in the account statement of eThekwini. So you first have to complete the above account statement. Remember, we're still working with 1,000 Rand, eh? You ascertain that. And record the entries in the account statement of the relevant subsidiary journals. So I'm just going to keep quiet up until the end now because it's only for 5 marks and for 7 marks. And I will leave you to battle it out. Why so many people struggling to get into the class? And that's a correct link, Vanessa, that you posted.
Yes, it's the
Yeah.
one from the New Mercy Center.
Okay, you're not being a hater and just posting any random link. Imagine.
Maybe I should send them the one that's on the Inisa page. Let me try that one.
But what I don't understand is, why you wouldn't go in from your chats of last week when you were in? Why everybody ask every week for a link?
It's
I don't know if
actually
people know they
easier
can
to
go.
use the chat.
And the chat should be
Yeah,
saved on your Teams.
Yes, they are
unless they signing in from unverified accounts.
possible.
Because you lose your chats. Roxanne, I did that. Is Roxanne here tonight? Hello, Roxanne, you quiet. Okay, who's got some answers here for us for A? Let's go. Let's go with the question marks. It's 1,000 rand, Roxanne. I said it now earlier. It's 1,000 rand. We've got an answer there from Keanu. He's got 5016.
I think for the share allowance will be 4683.
Nope.
Is it 50?
Nope. Neither of the above.
I got 4133.
Nope. Guys, if you get this wrong, no, you got your whole question wrong. So come now, fix it up. I want the third of the share of the allowance. Gianni, you want to try again? You know, I'm very impressed with Keanu's improvement there. Like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, hey, Keanu, you were still very confused. And I think the lectures cleared it up. And then you started to understand everything better. Mr. Pillay. Mr. Pillay, come in. Okay, but Mr. Pillay, please retry again because come now, people. I want the right answer. The third of the shares. Put it in the chats. Valerie, you can talk.
Okay, I'm recalculating. I just want to see where I made mistakes. Okay.
Give a round of applause and you can unmute your mics and give it to Keanu Pillay. And Keanu, just explain to the class how you got it, please.
Yay!
Yes, there's a flow. They don't like you, Keanu. They
Yay!
nasty.
Why is
That's all.
Kiana
You
not
go, Mr.
speaking?
Pillay. Well done, Mr. Pillay. Please teach me how.
Keanu,
Yes,
just explain
please.
to them how you got the 3.9 there, please. Are you typing, Keanu? Keanu can't speak to us.
He's a silent man.
Yes, they're
Or
dangerous
lady.
people. No, I think he's a man, eh? I think he's a man. I hope he's a
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, but he never speaks. Maybe
Yeah,
he's typing.
I wouldn't want to be classified men as women and women as men. Keanu, are you going to explain it to us? Just type it. Okay, there. He took the 900, the 800, the 900, the 9,000. That's fees for receiving instruction. Whoop, whoop. And then the 800 is correspondence. Whoop, whoop. And the 1,000 rand. He did not take the expert witness and he did not take the medical reports. Those are not work done by the instructed attorney. And he divided by 3. Does everyone understand now?
Yes.
Okay, you can now continue with the rest of the question marks. I see this part, this stuff, this question is also not your forte. No man, Roxanne, then why are you asking that question? Where did he get those figures? I just read it out now to you. Fees for receiving instruction 9,000. Correspondence 800. And collection fees 1,000. Okay. Now I need the rest of the question. Sandiwe, you're so quiet.
Hey, Aziza, I'm so sorry. I'm just recovering. I was writing exam. I was busy with the other exam, so I'm sure you noticed that I was not even here. So I'm done with the other exams. Now I'm focusing with this until I write. So I'll pick up.
The struggle is real, eh? Kiana, you can't be right all the time. You're wrong this time. How did you get 102 450? Maybe I'm wrong. You're wrong, you're wrong, you are wrong. You're wrong.
104, 104, 350.
Yeah, I think it's that. 104 350. So you add the 115 500 and the 3.9, then you get 119,400. Then you take the 119,400, you subtract everything else in that column, then you get 104 350. Thank you for that, lady. Right, now you can continue. People, you must be able to get the statement correct, otherwise all your letters is going to be wrong, eh? I think that you guys must first get the pastor in and pray about it before you go and write this exam.
We need that.
It's a bit suck.
Aziza, please repeat how you got that 104 350.
I took 115 500, no, the collection fee, and I added the 3.9 that Keanu gave, and you get 119,400. That's on the last column. Then the column before that, I took 119,400 and I minus all that stuff, all the amounts, and I got 104 350.
Aziza, just maybe might be foolish. Who are you again? Here? It's a Queenie.
It's a Queenie, yes.
Okay.
No, Denisa. 115 plus the. Oh, okay, you're gonna do it that way. Okay, it's fine. Okay.
Should I do it a different way?
No, I was just thinking we can just put in the next line, otherwise they're gonna get mixed up again. You can leave that there, no? And then the next line you start again with 119 minus all that stuff.
Okay.
Sorry. So was it a big ring? Was it a big diamond, Danisa?
Yes, I am very blessed.
At a wedding. I don't want to be a male. That other guy was talking about houses here before the house comes by the ring. And the rings are not cheap, eh?
Yeah, no, guys, shame. And if you get a very difficult lady like myself, it has to be a big ring.
I can imagine. Okay, now we're done. We got all our numbers in. And I want you to record the entries in the account statement above in the relevant subsidiary journals of eThekwini. Yes, Keanu, you must use our method. We have to do, Valerie, we have to do Charlie Chaplin here tonight.
Oh.
Were you too young for Charlie Chaplin?
I don't know who Charlie Chaplin is. Who is Charlie? What is he
Danisa,
famous for?
Danisa,
Yes.
Danisa, do you know Charlie Chaplin?
Yes, but just because
Charlie
I'm a big culture freak. So Charlie Chaplin is, you know, those old movies where they didn't talk, they just acted things out. He was one of the big
Oh,
actors in that time in the silent movies.
Yes. Yeah, those were the first movies.
Kiani.
I don't even think I was also born that time, but anyway, I know Charlie Chaplin. So yeah, so Keanu's doing Charlie Chaplin moves here. Okay. You guys can begin now with the subsidiary journals. We must still go do our YouTubes.
Oh, now I see Charlie on YouTube. Okay, I know him. I didn't. Yeah, he has a comical face. But okay.
Trust cash receipts journal.
I love it when a man talk in this class, eh? Do you know men are so scarce these days?
They're very scarce. They're a rare
No.
commodity in this class.
In life, they're rare commodities also. There's too many females.
Okay, so I'm not sure about the columns, but in the bank we're going to add at 115,500.
Please repeat.
We add the 115,500. Yeah, and then we balance it off, and then that's obviously 115,500.
Now, why is this man wrong? Does anybody know why he's wrong? And why you guys are going to make the same mistake in the exam? Because we're busy with the instructing attorney and he's doing the instructor attorney's books. You see, Karabo, your mistake?
Yes, I see it now.
Okay, can you rectify it for us?
Oh, sorry, no, I can't. I'm still not sure about the instructing attorney.
Will that be
Why
3,900?
is it? No, the 104,350. Remember, the 104,350 is what the instructing attorney, the instructed is paying out to the instructing to give to Konki and Dr. Totsi. Case. You get me?
Whose books are we doing?
EThekwini. They also
It's a Queenie.
So that's the instructing attorney. Okay. We're doing instructing now. Danessa, you're obviously gonna have your trust creditors control 104,315 bank, and your details is gonna be Kokorong or whatever his name
Korong.
is. Yeah, yeah. Konki versus Totsi. That will obviously be under details, eh? Take that word bank out. Yeah, and then put bank next to it. Next to details, bank and trust creditors. No, man. Next to details, column O.
Do you want trust creditors here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then under details, you're gonna put that guy's name Kokorong versus Konki versus Dr. Totsi. And Bob's your uncle. There's your trust cash receipt journal. Done. But if you're looking at the wrong lens through the wrong lens, you're gonna get it wrong. I am always confused with the instructing attorney, with the instructed attorney in terms of accounting records. No, Keanu, you must unconfuse yourself now. They ask for the instructing eThekwini. And then obviously you're going to credit. Yeah, you won't credit anything, you just debit. Move it up the 104,350 next to the trust bank, like the trust cash receipts must look. Move it up. Like that, yeah. Okay. Next one, trust cash payments journal. Let's go. Do we have another mail here? Keanu was asking. So give the details, Keanu. Let's see if you know what you're talking about.
Denisa?
Yes.
Okay, here I think the first transfer will be the one for Miss Nkosi Nkonki versus Tsotsi. And it's going to okay, maybe let's write before the name, let's write the attorney's name. We're paying these are clients of eThekwini. Kiano's question now is needs an answer. eThekwini is instructed. Yeah, it's eThekwini. Paid Nkonki is in brackets, ne? The total amount that was paid was that one there up there, 104,350. Trust creditors 104,350 and 104,350. No, in bank, like don't skip a line up there. The first line, 104,350. And then the other one we transferred to our business bank account. What do we say here? That 3,900 has to come in here. Transfer to business. No, where you wrote the trust general ledger. Because there's two payments that we made, one to our bank account and one to the trust.
The trust
To the
general
attorney, to the
ledger
attorney.
was what Keanu said. That's why it's there.
Oh, okay.
So you want to take it out.
I want to say I paid myself from the trust bank account to the business account. So transfer to business bank account, 3,900.
So you want that.
Yes. So that it shows we paid the whole 115 out. Let me calculate one. It does make 115, right? No?
It makes 108,250.
What else did we pay from the trust?
Guys are again mixing it up. The 104,350 is the end result. What you're gonna balance on. The amount that you're gonna transfer to Konki is the difference between the 3.9. Remember, it's instructing attorney now, no? So, Danessa, sorry. That
Yes.
104,350, put it at the bottom there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this
now
is the
balance it.
total that we're paying.
Yes, remember, he got the money. He must now take his share. That gets transferred to the business bank account. And the balance must now go to Konki. Konki gaat nou lekker steak koop vir die kinders. Konki het langlaas geëet.
So Konki will get 100,450.
Yes.
Or we collected 115. We paid ourselves everything. This is the change. Then it goes to the client account. Okay.
That's hardly change, eh?
No, it's not. Like we only made a little bit.
Okay, do the general journal now for me. We're running out of time.
Okay, the general journal is one.
Come, Keanu, you were doing so great. We're gonna call Keanu now Charlie Chaplin. Giving people names. The police.
You are on roll.
Now, what goes into the general journal? How much money was collected? We still need to reflect the amount of money that was collected and all the fees that the instructing attorney got paid, or all the expenses related to the instructing attorney. I gave the answer to you guys now. What must she debit? What must she credit? Anu, are you from Cape Town or from Durban? No, the general ledger is not the general journal. General journals, items of a general nature. General ledgers, all the items that must be in there.
Okay, so fees, we have
Did I say the general?
11,700. You said general journal.
Yeah, I said general journal. That's why she typed the general journal.
Please repeat.
Oh, Aziza did say general ledger. That's why I was asking now. Because there's a difference between the two, isn't it?
But I couldn't have said general ledger because she typed general journal.
Yeah, you said journal.
Yeah, anyway.
So what are we doing, general or ledger?
Journal, we're doing the journal.
You gave an answer. I didn't hear. Sorry.
No, I was thinking maybe we could also credit the fees, total fees collected, which was the answer that Keanu gave, 11,700, if I'm not mistaken, up there.
But we're gonna debit Kogarong and credit Konki to account for the settlement. Debit Kogarong and credit Konki's account. What's yeah. Collection for Kogarong. I'm butchering that name, eh, Valerie?
Gorong.
Gorong, is it Gorong?
Yeah, Gorong. Say go wrong. But
Gorong.
yeah, Gorong.
Like, you know, when people say Amas, they're like, Amas, they're always so angry.
Yeah, so it's just say
Gorong.
Gorong.
It's an angry man that.
Sorry, Aziza, you wanted to debit Kogarong and then we credit
Konki.
Nkonki.
Yeah. I'm not sure if it's a silent in.
Also with the 115 or now with the 104?
No, the 115,000 one. No, the 104,000 doesn't go into his books now, into the general journal. We've already accounted for that. Now you're gonna account for all the expenses. I think Keanu mentioned something like that. So you're going to debit your konkie and you're gonna credit kogerong. And konkie, I want you guys to tally up for me what is gonna be the expenses. Nee, wat vang jy nou aan? It was right like, no, it was
Yeah.
right. We were done with that. We were the next one now. Right like that. Leave it like that. Okay, now we're gonna go to the expenses. And you can write there by the expenses, you're gonna debit konkie and credit kogerong, or whatever the man's name is. I don't know what happened to Boet and Sarkie.
The names in here
Buff and Keeper.
and Tsotsi. You read that book?
Buff and Keeper.
Yeah, those
Did you
are
also
like
do Buff and Keeper?
no, my kids.
Oh, my kids, yeah, did Buff and Keeper.
Yeah, I know Beef and Keeper.
What did you do? Boet and Sarkie.
This I don't remember.
Kathy and Mark. I remember Kathy and Mark.
Yen is
I want
always
you-
crying.
I want you to not write expenses. I want you to write debit on the debit side, konkie, and on the credit side, gorong. Konkie and gorong. Credit gorong. Now I want you to tell me how much is the expenses. Keanu is saying 11,000, 11, whatever, it's all wrong. So Biso is Girls Fury. He's also wrong. Why is my phone? Who? Roxanne, this is no mirror stuff here, no. No mirror stuff.
Is it the 15,050?
Thank you. Just tell them how you got the 15,050.
It's the total expenses plus collection fees.
Mm-hmm. All right. And now for homework. I hope you guys are doing the homework.